If you've ever heard the terms assisted living and nursing home used interchangeably, you're not alone. But here's the bottom line: they are not the same. Choosing the wrong one can affect health, independence, and finances. Today, we're breaking down the real differences so you can make a confident decision. Assisted living homes are designed for seniors who are mostly independent, but need some help with daily activities, things like bathing, dressing, meals, or medication reminders. Residents typically live in private or semi-private apartments, not hospital rooms. The focus is on maintaining dignity, independence, and social connection. Staff are available around the clock, but assisted living does not provide continuous medical care. In short, assisted living offers support, not skilled medical treatment. Nursing homes, also known as skilled nursing facilities, are built for seniors who require ongoing medical care and supervision. These facilities have licensed nurses on duty 24 hours a day, along with access to physical therapy, occupational therapy, and other rehabilitation services. The environment is more clinical, more structured, and more focused on health management than lifestyle. Nursing homes exist for medical necessity, not convenience. This is where many families get stuck. If someone needs help living, assisted living is usually appropriate. If someone needs help medically, a nursing home is often necessary. Assisted living supports daily routines. Nursing homes manage health conditions. In assisted living, daily life feels more like a community with activities and shared meals. In nursing homes, routines are more structured. Schedules revolve around care plans and treatments. Neither is better universally. It depends on what the senior truly needs. Cost matters. Assisted living typically costs less per month than nursing homes, which are more expensive because of 24/7 medical staffing and specialized services. Many families assume Medicare covers long-term care. In most cases, it does not. It may cover short-term skilled nursing, but not ongoing assisted living. Medicaid, long-term care insurance, veterans benefits, and private pay often play a role. Understanding this early prevents financial surprises later. Assisted living is often the right choice when a senior is safe but needs daily help, memory issues are mild, and the goal is independence with peace of mind. A nursing home is usually the right option when medical needs are complex, frequent hospital visits are occurring, or rehabilitation is needed. It's about protection. Warning signs include frequent falls, missed medications, caregiver burnout, or rapid decline. Planning early gives you choices. Waiting creates pressure. Before choosing, ask, what level of care is provided? How are emergencies handled? What are the staffing ratios? Great facilities expect these questions. Choosing isn't about labels, it's about fit. The right decision protects dignity and health. The best time to plan is before a crisis. Check the resources in the description.